Hi guys, it's me, Billing Girl, and today we're going to meet a little friend who I just met a while ago, and he's staring at me right now. So let's go over and see him. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, Leo. Leo, say hi to YouTube. Leo's so cute. Look at him. Leo, look at Leo. Look how cute Leo is. Leo, come here. Come here, Leo. Leo! Leo! I'll hold you, I guess, guys. You're coming up on me? Why won't you come up on me? We're excited long ago. Say hi to YouTube. Oh boy, time for the race. Okay guys, can you see? Do you want my view or Leo's view? I'm going to guess Leo's view. So 3, 2, 1. Leo! Come on, we're doing the race. 3, 2, 1. Go! Run, 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 Leo! 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 Leo, why aren't you running? Leo! Leo! Oh my god, Leo, seriously? Leo. Okay guys, so he's back again, so... Right. Leo. So that's Leo the dog. And today we're going to actually meet. So that's it. Oh, look, he's got a wee chicken, it's so cute. You alright? Give me the chicken and I'll throw it, and you can give it back. I always need the time.